That's kind of like where the language originated. And it's obviously very popular for graduate studies. And keep in mind, I'm not trying to poo-poo the language. I even spoke at an R conference, by the way. I spoke at an R conference in 2017. Yeah, like the fall of 2017. You guys can probably find it on the internet somewhere, but I actually spoke at an R conference. So I'm not trying to poo-poo the language. But when you get to more enterprise-wide deployments, it's really hard to justify the use of R. So if you're using R, should you be using the package Shiny? Yes, you should. Very convenient package. But I'm not sure if I was in a student position right now, if I would be investing a ton of time in R as far as like my primary language. You probably still want to shade your efforts towards using Python. I always like to joke with people and say everybody likes R until it's time to do an enterprise deployment, because you really can't do, well, I don't want to say you can, but it's very, very difficult to do enterprise deployments in R, right? When you compare it to how you would do them in Python, it's like night and day, right? So keep that in mind. If you're using it for your studies and in your college, but you're also doing R, great. Excuse me, you're also doing Python, great. That's probably a pretty good balance, You do want to have some familiarity with R at some point in your career.